I think it's cute to have your feet in.
Hi guys. This is Kimberly Kight's Bird is the Word, and it's really cute. I absolutely love how they're bringing these black backgrounds into a lot of there. I love this print. That's fun. Yeah, there's tons of black that's coming out in a lot of the new lines, which I love. It's really pretty. And we'll go to the next one. This is an amazing, this is called like story time, isn't it? The background on these, the color. So pretty. I bet this line will make you all go look at birds now in a different way. I still love that print. This one's really pretty. They're all pretty, but those stand out to me. And then we have this one. I always love the white backgrounds too. Again, a favorite. These look like starfish. I wonder what they are. They're flowers, aren't they? They kind of look like starfish.
Yeah, they're flowers.
That's fun. There we are on those. Then we have the projects, which we have Churn Dot, Lydia Quilt. This one, I like this one, Modernly Morgan, Spectra. I think that's a new pattern for her. Tiny Leaves, Meadow Mist Designs. Crinkly Quilts. This is Helix Nebula. Stash and Dash by Crinkly Quilts. Flutter Down by So Mariana. And I don't know how to say that word, but something by Meadow Mist Designs. Alga Henny. Okay, that's sad. All right, guys, that's it.